play no, I'm gonna show you one code. It's not long. So first you have to just go to Chrome and put in Roblox promo codes. Press that and loads. Okay, Roblox, I don't know, just do that. Oh no, wrong one. Load already. Redeemable. Okay, so those are so codes that I think might work. I don't really know if they're still readable. Might work, or maybe like a couple of more codes. Okay, so just go over here and put a tweet Roblox, and then press redeem. Yes, and now just put Roblox, and then I'm pretty sure this will, this will redeem. Oh dang it! Let me add one thing then. I think this is. I remember that worked for my cousin, so that should have worked. Okay, no. Hey, so I guess I'll just show you. I guess that's the only code, I guess. Well, that was a fail. Wait, oh, those were redeemable on 20. Location, release and location. Let's just try release. At least that's really want to use. Zach is fun for 14. Just don't mind the kid kind. That's my little brother. Bro. Okay, then I guess that's the only I know. Well, I guess we'll leave, guys.